Welcome back, guys. Thanks for choosing our BP interview tutorials, and because of you guys we have crossed now 10,000 plus subscribers. So I would request everyone to please check playlist. If you haven't check out, guys. You will find multiple videos which will help you cracking interview related to trainers, team leader, quality analyst, WFM, basic associate KPIs, MS Excel dashboards, project management, Six Sigma certifications. Many more videos are there that will for sure help you in cracking your interviews very easily and smartly. So today we will see an interesting concept, that is on how to add speak cell. So speak cell, why we need this? The first thing we have to understand. For an example, my manager gave me a hard copy. It's a paper actually he gave me, and he gave me certain details like the name, TL name and marks. I'm just adding few names here, and consider you got a list of 20 or 30. Post adding all the data, now you want to validate this. How we will validate? You will ask one employee to sit beside you. He will speak like, John, can you say me the other guy will speak like, John, he scored 100, Salman, he scored 80. In this way you will validate all the numbers. What if I will ask our Excel sheet to speak, so that you can validate these things very easily? How this will work? Let's check. So we have data here. So in the top of this Excel sheet you can see I added one icon which is speak cell. How this was added, I'll guide you everything in basic, guys, no need to worry. So if I click on John, and I'll see the main thing about the speak cell is, from suppose this entire table is linked in the sense there is no spacing or there is no gap between the cells. You can see here, okay, those are in a continuous manner. So this will, wherever you will keep your wherever you will keep your this cursor, it will start it from there and it will work horizontally. Okay, so let's start from John. Now it will work like John, then Dilip 100, then Salman, Dilip 80. In this way it will work. Let's see how this will work.
John.
Okay, now just
Dilip.
check.
100. Salman. Dilip. 80. Rashmika. Vijay. 85. Shrupti. Vijay. 90. Avinash.
Okay, I again clicked on the option, or else I clicked on the blank cell, it got stopped. I hope you understood now how this got added and how this is useful to us. Now let's understand how this work. So before that, I just want to inform you one more thing here is, do consider one thing, that is wherever you will keep the cursor, it will start from there to horizontal. Okay, so this is the main thing. Now let's go how this got added. You have to go to file. If you go to file, you will get the option, or you will go to bottom, you'll find the section which is option. If you click on option, you have in the left hand side you have to click on quick access toolbar. If you click on quick access toolbar, here in the first it will show you popular command. You have to choose all commands. Okay, it will take some time, like 5 to 10 seconds. Reason, there are multiple commands that will get loaded. Sometimes your Excel will get stuck as well. Now you have to search speak cell. Okay, where it is the speak cell, let me search. Okay, I'll check here now. Speak cell, LMNOP. Okay, let me see. Speak cells. Okay, now this is my older version of Excel. If you have a latest version of Excel, you will find 5 more toolbars along with this speak cell, which means it will give you an like speak cell from the starting, bottom, center, like you'll get those options as well. Now you have to click on select this speak cell. You will get the option of add. Just click here. If you do this, it will get added automatically here, and do okay. This is the thing you have to do. Once you do, it will be reflecting here. If you want to remove, you can do right click. You can remove. You can show this speak cell below through the toolbar. If you want this to be shown here, you can do that as well. Okay, so in this way you can do, and you can get the access of the speak cell. Okay, so this will work in such a way. I hope you understand this concept very easily. If you still have any doubt, please share your feedback in the comment section. If you really like this video, this is quite interesting, then please share your feedback as well, and don't miss to subscribe the channel. Check out our playlist. You will find many videos that will for sure help in cracking the interviews. Nowadays most of the MNCs have started their hiring, guys, so please do prepare well and give your interview. If you still have any doubt, please share the feedback and comment. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.